Hey guys, my name is Marin. I'm the lease manager here at OpenRoad Toyota Port Moody, and this is the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. This is the SR5 Crewmax Edition with the 5.5-foot box. Starting here with the front grille, Toyota has done a great job with making a larger enhanced front grille with active grille shutters. Along with that, we have the pre-collision system sensors in here in the front that are part of the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. With that as well, now we have a newly designed headlamp here, which is LED, along with LED fog lamps down below. And my favorite, the all-new twin-turbo V6 3.5 liter engine. Our 2022 Tundra comes with 18-inch off-road alloy wheels, along with the dealer-installed accessory of Predator tube side step bars for easy access. A newly designed coil suspension for a smoother ride, and an enhanced 12,000-pound towing capacity. Starting in the rear, we have the all-new super light reinforced tailgate for hands-free easy access. Also available in the Tundra are the 120-volt power outlet, bed lighting kit, and electronic release button for your tailgate. This being an SR5 model doesn't have those options, but however it does have the bed dividers for the storage, and it does have the dealer installed tonneau cover. Moving along to the back design of the vehicle, we have the backup camera located here, along with the engraved Tundra logo on the back. One of my favorite designs on the all-new 2022 Tundra is the V-shaped roof along with the rear lip spoiler. The purpose of this design was to separate airflow to prevent bed debris from flying into your cabin with your rear window down. There's also a new rubber piece between the bed and the cab to further improve aerodynamics and make for easier cleaning. In this SR5 model, we have the 8-inch touchscreen, but in higher models, it does come with the all-new design 14-inch touchscreen display. As well, we do have a electronically controlled parking brake, manually controlled 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive high and low, as well as the drive mode select between Eco, Normal, and Sport, as well as the newly added trailer brake assist located down here under the steering wheel. The all-new 2022 SR5 Toyota Tundra comes with an 8-way power adjustable seat with 2-way lumbar support, as well as heated fabric seats. But it does come with an option to upgrade to a leather and perforated option, as well as a newly redesigned steering wheel for ease and comfort. Speaking of easy comfort, now also available is wireless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as ample storage and the signature rear roll-down window. Lastly, I want to share with you guys some of the Easter eggs that are hidden on the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. Starting inside the engine bay, we have an embossed image of the state of Texas where the manufacturing was done. And moving on to the passenger side here, we have an embossed image of the state of Michigan where the research and development was done. Another cool feature that we have is hidden in Morse code, the word badass trucks on the windshield. And moving along to the rear side, not on this model here since it's an SR5, but we do have holographic images of trucks driving up and down our 4x4 logo to give the Toyota Tundra a cool edge. Thanks for watching, guys. Come on down to OpenRoad Toyota Port Moody and check out the improvements on the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra.